Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPad supports external input. This is why iPadOS matters. It enables pointer and keyboard features. Once done, connect your keyboard and mouse. Plug a USB adapter into Lightning or USB-C, or pair both devices via Bluetooth in settings. Make sure the keyboard is active and the mouse cursor moves across the home screen. This immediate connection shortens setup time, so you can jump into Roblox controls without extra troubleshooting. You now configure the pointer and key mappings so gameplay feels natural. Enable assistive touch and turn on pointer devices. This gives you cursor customization and button mapping. Adjust tracking speed and pointer size to match the camera responsiveness you want in Roblox, because sensitivity affects aim and camera drift. Next, map a primary mouse button to left-click and set keyboard keys for movement and interactions. Doing this makes in-game actions consistent and reduces input lag surprises while playing. You finish by launching Roblox and verifying everything works in-game. Join a low-risk server or test place and walk, run, and look around using your keyboard and mouse. Use the mouse to aim and the keyboard for movement. If camera or click behavior is off, make incremental pointer or key mapping adjustments, because small changes yield big improvements. If devices disconnect, restart Bluetooth or briefly unplug and reinsert the adapter. That quick reset fixes most connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.